Evaluate integration e power x into 1 plus x by cos square x e power x. Here we have to take the substitution method. T is equals to x e power x. Then differentiate with respect to x. Then t differentiation dt by dx is equals to, here two variables are there, x and e power x. So take this as u and this is as v. uv concept is u as it is d by dx of e power x is e power x only, plus v as it is u differentiation. So e power x is as it is x differentiation 1. Next take e power x common. So what left are here? X plus 1. From this we need to write dx value. So send and take the terms. So dt by e power x into x plus 1 is equals to dx. Now substitute everything in our question. So first we have to take question as I. So now substitute everything in our question I. So it will becomes I is equals to integration e power x into 1 plus x by cos square is as it is. X e power x in the place we can write as t, and dx value we got as dt by e power x into 1 plus x. So here 1 plus x and e power x cancel. So what left are 1 by cos square t. So integration of 1 by cos square means it is secant square t dt. So integration of secant square x formula it is looking like. So formula is tan x. So here it will be tan t plus c we have to write. So in the question we have taken t in the place x e power x na. Therefore answer is tan x e power x plus c is answer. Evaluate integration dx by x plus 3 under root of x plus 2. So first we have to take given equation as I. Here we have to substitute t is equals to under root x plus 2 is critical compared to x plus 3 na. So we have to take under root x plus 2. Squaring on both sides it will be t square. Right side square root cancel, simply x plus 2. Now we have to do differentiating with respect to x. So t square differentiation is 2t dt by dx. X differentiation is 1. Constant 2 differentiation is 0. Next cross multiply. So 2t dt is equals to dx. Now substitute the values in our I. So it will becomes I is equals to integration 1 by x in the place we can write as t square minus 2 and plus 3 is as it is. Next root of x plus 2 we can write as t. Next dx value is 2t dt. So here 2t cancel, constant 2 in front, 1 by 3 minus 2 is 1 plus t square and dt. It is looking like integration 1 by 1 plus x square. The formula is tan inverse x. So here tan inverse t plus c. So instead of t what we have taken under root x plus 2 plus c. Evaluate integration dx by cos hx plus sin hx. So hyperbolic trigonometry we can write as numerator 1 as identity in the hyperbolic trigonometry cos h square x minus sin h square x, and denominator is as it is. Numerator looking like a square minus b square formula. So a plus b into a minus b, and denominator is as it is. So numerator denominator cos hx plus sin hx cancel. Only the thing integration of cos hx minus integration of sin hx is left over. So integration of cos hx dx minus integration sin hx dx. Cos hx integration is sin hx and sin integration is cos hx. So minus as it is, minus cos hx plus c. Here careful, cos hyperbolic is positive only. Sin hyperbolic is positive only. Evaluate integration e power x into 1 plus x log x by x. So e power x is outside, inside the bracket two terms are there. So e power x as it is, I am separating the division. So 1 by x plus x log x by x into dx. Now x gets cancelled. Integration e power x into, first I am writing log x, then I am writing 1 by x into dx. Now it is looking like the formula integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. The formula is e power x into f of x plus c. So here observe, log is one function, its derivative is 1 by x. So it is looking like exactly formula. So answer is e power x into f of x, f in the place log x plus c is constant. Integration of secant square x into cosecant square x into dx. So slowly students will write directly secant square answer is tan, cosecant square answer is minus cot x, but that is wrong. So here we have to convert some steps. Secant square means 1 by cos square x, cosecant square means 1 by sin square x into dx. So integration 1 into 1 by sin square x into cos square x into dx. In the trigonometry, the identity one value is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Na? So it is sin square x plus cos square x. We can write as numerator. Denominator is as it is. Next. So doing here separate division, integration sin square x by sin square x into cos square x plus cos square x by sin square into cos square x into dx. So here sin square gets cancelled, and here cos square gets cancelled. So what left are 1 by cos square, and here 1 by sin square. 1 by cos square is what? Secant square. So it is what? Integration of secant square x plus integration of cosecant square x into dx. So here single integration of secant square x is formula tan x, and here minus cot x plus c. So those are separated, we can apply the formula. If it is between multiplication is there, we can't apply the formula.